Good morning, Stanford.
Good morning.
How are you this morning? You're going to ask me too? Students, you got to teach moms and dads what we do every morning. Ready? Let's try it again. Good morning, Stanford. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. And parents who are just arriving, welcome, and just move all the way up to the front. You can sit anywhere you want. All the seats are for you. Mr. Merritt might be able to join us shortly, but we want to go ahead and get started on time. We're going to remind those of you who, if this is your first time, this is being videotaped live. And for those family members who are not able to be here, you can let them know that they can watch the video later. It'll be uploaded on our website. But for now, we'd like to congratulate all of you. And I'm going to do my very best in pronouncing your names. I really will. Mr. Merritt is much better at most of your names than I am. But forgive me if I don't say your name, if I don't pronounce it right. So we want to get right to it. And we're going to start with kindergarten. Okay, kindergarten? So this first student that we're going to honor is from Ms. Pereira's class. And Ms. Pereira says that this young lady is always willing to help a friend. If a friend is sad, she will comfort them and help them feel better. So this young lady who's being honored with the Most Caring Award is Amelia Pachardo. Did I say that right? Congratulations. Come on up, Amelia. And I'm going to have you step all the way up. Okay, and this next young person is being honored for the most improved. And the reason why is she began the year knowing little to no sounds and is now able to read CVC words on her own. Now, CVC words are 3-letter words, so that's very good for kindergarten. Camila Castaneda.
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 Yes.
Come on up, Camila. Congratulations. Can I up here? Okay, we're going to go to Miss Velasco's class. Now, this young lady knows all of the letters and sounds and is starting to learn her sight words also. Her name is Ileana Gutierrez. Congratulations. This next young lady, she's also from Miss Velasco's class. She is considerate of others. She also tries her best to make her friends feel better if they are upset. Isn't that nice? She's getting the Most Caring Award. And this is Charlotte Clune, or Clune. Very good. Okay, we're going to go to Miss Kalari's class. This young lady is earning the Most Caring Award, and her name is Liliana. Liliana T. Salazar. Congratulations, Liliana. And also from Miss Ferguson's class. Okay. Now this young person has made good improvement. He's scored the highest in class on both the reading and the math for MAPS. MAPS is an important test our students have to take to measure their progress. Congratulations to Angel Ramirez. Good job, Angel. Next, we're going to honor another person from Miss Ferguson's class. She is very helpful to others and always shows kindness. Great job. This is the Most Caring Award to Montserrat Gonzalez. We are now going to move to first grade. Miss Matlock's class. This young person is always looking out for her classmates and making sure that they are okay at all times. Her name is Lisa Bradshaw for Most Caring Award. Lisa here? She might be absent today. We'll make sure she gets that. Also from Miss Matlock's class is someone who's made a lot of improvement in reading, writing, and math. Miss Matlock is very proud of you. Brandon Picaro Cordova. Congratulations. We're going to move over to Miss Urbina's class. This person has made a lot of progress. He currently reads 51 words per minute and has the highest eye-ready growth in his class. Imagine that. That's Jaden Salazar. Come on up, Jaden. Also from Miss Urbina's class is a person that's earning the most caring award. This person loves everyone and is friendly with her classmates. She is known to be soft-spoken and kind by her peers. Her name is Samantha Herrera. From Miss Gonzalez's class, we have someone who's always willing to help her classmates who are struggling. She is kind when she helps others. We'd like to congratulate, for the Most Caring Award, Jayla Telez. Come on up, Jayla. Also from Miss Gonzalez's class, this boy listens very attentively. He follows directions and gives his best effort with everything. This boy is earning the Most Improved Award. His name is Gael Ramos. Good job. Oh, we're going to go to Mr. Michelson's class now. Okay. This girl is always striving to make sure everyone in her group has what they need. She tries to partner up with all students. Good job, Allison Lopez, the Most Caring Award. Also from Mr. Oh, I made a mistake. It says Miss. We know it's not Miss Michelson, it's Mr. Okay, I'll correct that. Also from Mr. Michelson's class, this person has shown a lot of improvement, working very hard in his writing. And his name is Ivan Fulgencio. Fulgencio? All right, we're going to move to Miss Connolly's class now. This young lady cares about herself, her education, her classmates, and her teachers. She is truly caring. Regina Salazar. Congratulations, Regina. This young man is also in Miss Connolly's class. He showed the most growth on the MAPS test, again, very important test, in both reading and math. Great work, Noah Tongepao. And now we're going to go to Miss Cordova-Smith's class. This young lady is kind and forgiving of others. She pays attention to others, and she is considerate of others. Her name is Annette Enriquez. Come on up, Annette. Also from Miss Cordova-Smith's class is someone who is being honored as Most Improved because of all the work he's been doing in his number sense fluency in math. His name is Julian Gutierrez.
Sorry I'm late. Sometimes we get busy. And with Heyman's class, congratulations for the most improved in both reading and math scores, Alana Stevens. From Ms. Heyman's class also, congratulations for earning the Most Caring Award, Esmeralda Gonzalez. From Mr. Woomer's class, Liliana is kind of like the mom of the class. She always is one to help in any way in our classroom. Great job, Liliana. And also Mr. Wimmer's class. Through his hard work this past semester, Tom Nori has raised his reading level by over 1 year up to this point. Nice job, Tom. A whole year's growth in 4 months' time. There you go. We'll announce it anyway. From Ms. Thompson's class, Lily always lends a helping hand and caring word to all her peers and staff members. Congratulations, Lily Abadi. She's not here, we can clap for her anyway. And from Ms. Thompson's class, Alan cares about his education and always puts his best effort. Thank you for all that you do, Mr. Alan Martinez. Come on up, Alan. No, Alan either. Maybe Ms. Thompson forgot to send her children down.
And now moving on to our third graders. We have from Ms. Van Bevan's class, Tristan Slocum for the Most Caring Award in his class. Good job, Tristan. And that to me is not a surprise. From Mr. Hunter's class, Damien is always positive and kind to everyone. He smiles a lot and treats everyone with respect. Damien Murillo. From Mr. Lee, which would be Miss Ship's class, we have Annabelle Andrade Garcia. Congratulations on being most caring. Moving on to fourth grade, we have Magali Horta, who is always willing to help others out when they're in need. She goes above and beyond with completing her work. Nice job, Ms. Magali. Also from Ms. Pecca's class, Liliana Ramirez. She earned 8 AR points in 1 week. Wow, that's a lot of reading, girl. She's been working hard in math and doing all the fractions. And has done great. Nice job. From Ms. Welty's class, which would be Ms. Bosch, we have Joanna Malpica. Congratulations, Joanna, for being most caring in the class. And also from Ms. Welty's class, based on our MAP assessment, so this is one of the new tests we're using this year, growth and graduating from resource, Ms. Olivia has made the most progress. Olivia Ferguson. Congratulations, Olivia. From Mr. J's class, Emily Zamora. Ms. Emily is very thoughtful and kind student. She demonstrates just how much she cares to everyone. Also from Mr. J's class, Diana Sands. Diana earned her fractions medallion on January 10th. She worked extremely hard at mastering her fractions. Nice job. From Ms. Walsh's class, Javelin Jesus Baez. Javelin. No? Am I saying it wrong? No? Okay. Javelin has steadily improved her reading level throughout the year. She is now reading 8.6. So, congratulations, I don't know where she is, but... Also from Ms. Walsh's class, Jada Mendez. She treats everyone with respect and looks out for her fellow classmates. Ms. Jada. From Ms. Hennessy's class, Carmen Rodarte. Carmen shows a sense of caring for students by showing empathy to her peers. And
Jariel Rabina. Jariel has improved in his attitude towards his learning by increasing efforts to participate more often. Nice job, Jariel. From Ms. Noak's class, we have Viridiana de Leon. She is caring to everyone in class and is always there to offer her support. Nice job, Viridiana. And last but not least, we have Miss Andrea Lopez. Andrea is the most improved because she's been working very hard to get her math where it needs to be. Nice job, Andrea. And these are our third. So thank you again for coming, boys and girls. Thank you for working so hard. I love seeing the awards. I love seeing how many caring, loving children we have in our school, as well as how many kids are working so hard to catch up and to keep up and to do their best. We appreciate all of that. Boys and girls, if you would like to turn around and give those people behind you a round of applause for being here to support you today, because a lot of parents don't show to these things, and we appreciate them. So turn around. Even if your mom's not here, turn around. And let's go. And then when you get back to class, please remember to thank your teachers for all that they do. Your teachers work very hard to make sure that you learn everything you need to learn before you leave our school, and we appreciate all the hard work that they do. So parents, thank you again for coming. If you weren't here to support, I guarantee your kids would not be doing as well. I love the support, and that's what's going to make kids successful. I don't care what school they're at. If a parent is involved in their education, they will be successful. So thank you so much for the support and for being here today. If you would like to grab your child to get an individual picture before they head back to class, you're welcome to do so. Boys and girls, if you want to look back, if mom wants a picture with you real quick, we can get one more picture, and then we got to head on back to class again.